Welcome back to the next episode of TSDC podcast. I am Neha Chauhan, your host for the day. So we continue ahead with our topic, that is patent, and hence we have a guest, Dr. Uday Bhan Yadav. He is faculty of TSDC. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Neha ma'am.
So can we just have a conversation on, your background, a brief background of your journey towards TSDC?
Okay. Myself, Dr. Uday Bhan Yadav. I'm in charge head of Department of Botany. I'm a PhD co-guide in the subject of botany from Rajasthan University. In the field of research, I have done the 3 patents. I received the 3 Indian design patents. 4 is on the line. My research papers was published in the Scopus Index journals and UGC care listed journals. I have published 13 research papers, 13 book chapters, 3. I'm sole author of the 3 books. And likewise, and in the if you're talking about the college academic performance, so I'm an exam chairperson of this college, and apart from exam chairperson, I'm an admission in charge of this college, and likewise, too many things are there, so we can't end up in one meeting.
It's too many achievements in that you have too many qualifications. So can you just tell me your contribution in getting this patent approved on display device on digital marketing?
So as Advocate Hardik sir has said, our topic is display device for digital marketing. So my contribution is as we all sing, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So this is what the main concept of us, to develop a design and patent, to get a patent on this topic. And my contribution in this patent is to work on the sensory based concept. Being a botanist, my approach towards the nature is quite a green nature. So for that we have developed a device which works on the base of the sensor. If we are putting this display device in the mall, suppose during a evening times when the commuters are more in number, at the time the display of this device will emit larger amount of the light. When the commuters are late, the device will display less amount of light. So it is based on the consumption of the light, and when there is no communication from anyone, it will simply dim its light. So it saves the energy as well, and our main motto to create a awareness about anything. जैसा मैंने बोला, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So both the things are getting done with this patent, to save the nature, which works on the sensory base.
Sir, आपके future goals, what are your future goals in terms of research and patents, getting more patents?
So ma'am, in terms of research and patent, basically I am working on a green technology where it includes every aspects of the life, whether it is belongs to the science, arts, commerce, or towards the nature or everything. It includes every aspect of the life, and it is known as a green technology. Basically it works on the same principle of the green technology.
That's very sustainable and creative device that you guys have created. Congratulations in getting your patent approved, and I am very sure that you guys will come to more and more such patents in future and give us more such insights. Thank you so much for coming here.
Thank you, Neha ma'am. Thank you.
So here we come to the end of a conversation. We have Uday sir, who has given us good insight on sustainable device that he has created. Stay tuned for more such episodes and more such podcasts. I am Neha Chauhan, signing off for the day.